Welcome to Phony Max. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to create a professional website for your business or brand directly from your mobile device, at no cost. This approach is particularly suitable for content creators, entrepreneurs, and individuals launching a new brand who may not yet have the budget to invest in a website. To begin, open your web browser and search for strikingly.com, then select the first result. This platform enables users to build a fully functional website for free, without requiring any payment or subscription. It also provides a complimentary domain, with the option to upgrade at a later stage if desired. Since this process is being completed on a mobile device, it is advisable to switch your browser to desktop mode. This ensures smoother navigation and grants full access to all available features. Once in desktop mode, proceed to create an account by entering your legal first name, email address, and a secure password. After completing these fields, click on Get Started. You will then be directed to an interface where you will input the name of your website, brand, or organization. Following this, provide a description of your site. If you are unsure how to craft a compelling description, you may use tools such as ChatGPT to generate a professional and engaging summary based on your niche. For instance, if your brand focuses on finance and artificial intelligence, you can request a tailored description and paste it into the appropriate field. Next, click on Confirm and Generate. You may be required to complete a verification step to confirm that you are not a robot. Follow the instructions provided, such as selecting specific images, and then proceed by clicking the Verify button. Within moments, your website will be automatically generated. At this stage, you can fully customize your site by editing images, adding text, showcasing your services, and refining the overall design to align with your brand identity. Take the time to ensure that the final result meets your expectations. Once you are satisfied, click on Publish, and your website will go live on the internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to Phony Max, and enabling notifications to stay updated on future content. In the next video, I will share how I generated my first $1,000 using this website. Yes, I tried it and worked. Hit the subscribe button and watch me show you a step-by-step process to get this done in my next video. I bet you will thank me you found this channel.